Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. We're at it again. And this time, guess what? We're making a Deliciously Ella recipe.
Whoa!
Again, this time I got one of her older cookbooks. Deliciously Ella. Ella Woodward. Alright, so everybody who knows Ella raves about the sweet potato brownies. This is pretty much what she's known for.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to attempt these today. I had my own sweet potato brownie recipe, but I never exactly followed hers. I'm still not going to because it's got almonds in it, so I have to do my own thing with it. But first ingredients, 2 tubby sweets. About 10 ounces each. So I'm going to get these peeled up. I'm going to steam them in my rice cooker in this little steamer basket for 20 minutes. And you and I will meet right back here. Alright, so our sweet potatoes are fork tender. You can see that they're pretty much falling apart. So I don't want to mash them up because I want to get them into the food processor. So we're going to take them over to the food processor.
I'll take you to the food processor. Processor? Yeah, the syllables do not fit.
Nope. And the recipe calls for dates and almond flour, but since I can't have tree nuts, I have some hemp here. I was going to use sunflower seeds, but then I was like, you know what? Hemp is a little more neutral tasting, so let's give hemp a try. And I need it to be ground up pretty fine, so that's why I'm putting it in the food processor. There's other ingredients that aren't going to go in the food processor. How many more times can I say food processor?
But what about food processor?
Nope, not that one. So I'm going to do this until it's really, really smooth because I don't want any lumps in there at all. First I'm going to start by pulsing. You might have to stop it a couple of times and scrape down the sides, but that's up to your food processor. So this is pretty chunky, this mixture, and the only other liquid in this is maple syrup, so I think I'm going to add it to this so that it has a little bit easier time blending. So that's going to be 3 tablespoons of this. I'm just going to call it a 1/4 cup.
Okay. Here we go again, making up the rules.
Yep. It's golden, baby. Oh no, it's going to get sticky everywhere. That looks pretty good. I'm just going to scrape down the sides once and do it a little bit more. Just for good luck. Alright. Now we're going to take this mixture. Thank you, oven. Oven is preheated. It's preheated. It's preheated to 350. So the only other ingredients here are raw cacao and buckwheat flour. So I'm going to mix this with the dry ingredients and we're going to pour it into that pan
Just
right
that
there.
little bit.
Yeah, there you go. Whee! Alright, so I'm just going to pre-mix this.
Here we go.
Yeah. Hope it's not junk.
Oh! Ugh.
Yeah.
I need like a splash guard or something.
I think so. Ugh, what a mess. Thomas had never seen such a mess.
You know, why don't I go back on the other side of the table?
That's a great idea. Alright, here we go. Now we're in business.
It looks like pumpkin pie.
Yeah, it does kind of. Alright, here we go.
You are having a tough time with this.
This is pretty tough, I'll admit it. I'm really slopping it up. It's a real dog's dinner here.
But I'm sure it's going to taste great.
Are you so sure?
Yes.
It's actually coming together pretty nicely.
I think so.
Very important though, you want to make sure that you get all traces of orange out because that's not going to be cool when you go cut it. People are going to be like, is this pumpkin? I could have used the mixer, but I really needed the workout. Okay, I think that's pretty good. So here's our pan that we have already prepared. Just a little parchment paper and an 8x8. And we're going to press it in there as flat as possible. Uh-oh. I already had a little mishap there.
You know what? It happens.
It happens to the worst of us.
Nobody's nerfect.
Yeah. I'm just trying to get all of this in the pan.
Pressing it down.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't want to hit this pan on the table to get rid of the air bubbles because you might break it. Okay, you don't want a big lump on one side and then like nothing on the other, so make sure it's pretty flat.
Really?
There it is. It's going in for 30 minutes.
What's with all the sighing? I think it looks great.
Okay. Whoa, what do we have here?
Can do that again.
Yeah, we were just not recording, and
That's
now all of a
fun.
sudden we're recording.
The magic of the first time is gone.
Yeah, it's true.
No, but this brownie looks pretty magical.
Yes, I see you already started cutting it because
Yeah.
we were rolling, not rolling before.
Oh, it's still warm. I'm just gonna not take the part that I cut.
Okay.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Mm,
It's not in focus. There you go.
that looks pretty good, right?
Yeah, it does.
Feels good. Smells real good.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Mm. I feel like I have stuff in my teeth.
Oh, is it really like
It's not
Play-Doh-y?
like super sticky. I'm just like paranoid.
Mm-hmm.
But, ooh, it's pretty good.
Yeah?
It's definitely got like a mushiness
Mm-hmm.
to it. It's not like that.
Cakey?
Well, I feel like there's like cake, then there's brownie, and then there's
Fudgy.
something like, yeah. And then this is like a little bit mushier than fudgy, I would say.
So like kind of raw?
Sort of, but not in a bad way.
Okay.
It's good.
It would probably be good with vanilla ice cream,
Oh, hell yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Heat it up and make it with vanilla ice cream.
Mm-hmm. I want to take more, but we're not eating dessert yet.
Well, it's definitely a luxury item because it had 14 dates in it. And it had a lot of hemp in it.
Mm-hmm.
But if you...
What's wrong with dates? Just because of the sugar?
Well, it's a lot of sugar. They're expensive.
Oh, okay.
So...
Yeah.
It's definitely not an every night.
It's definitely tasty, though.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, there you go, Ella. You were delicious.
It's a winner.
All right.
So
Well,
thank you guys so much for watching. Let us know if you enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, why not consider a subscription?
it's free.
It's free. So let us know what you think in the comments. And until next time, much love.